What will you do while getting a malware on your Android phone? To help you remove malware from Android phone more effortlessly, we have collected several simple but useful tips in this article. You can take them as references. Signs of malware infection: reduced battery life, device becomes overheated, decreasing storage space, poor phone performance, personal information reveal, or financial loss. A window pops up on the screen suddenly. Remove malware from Android phone. 1. Stop all background programs. From the above, you can know that malware always sits in background, so closing all the background applications on your phone can effectively help you get rid of the malware. 2. Uninstall the application downloaded recently. It is very possible that the app is a malware if your phone starts to malfunction right after installing it. In this case, you can select to uninstall the application without hesitation. 3. Clear caches and junk files on your phone. Another effective way to get rid of malware is to clear caches and junk files on your Android phone. At the same time, it can free up your device as well, so it is beneficial for you to try this means. To delete the junk app data, you can navigate to Settings, Apps, and then choose an application from the list. Next, tap on Clear Data to delete its data. Protect Android device from malware. Use Google Play Store for app downloads exclusively. Prefer apps with positive reviews. Install a reliable security app. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Verify network security. Avoid unknown links or websites. Be cautious of pop-ups while browsing.